Hello, today we're going to talk about the catch float stitch in my Arrowroot beanie. Okay, so on the catch float round, we will have our 3 pearls and then this slipped thread going across the 5 knit stitches, and then that's just repeated across. So we start with knit 5 to get us to the float, to the centre of the float. So we've knit 5 and we're now on the 3rd stitch in the 5, so that puts us right in the middle. And all we need to do is slip our right hand needle up underneath the thread that's laying across, and then knit into that 3rd stitch, take it off the needle, and then just pull that thread over and you've caught the stitch. So we have a knit 2 and then we knit 5 again, so I'll show you again. Okay, so we're going to slip that needle underneath the thread, knit into the next stitch, and then just bring your needle through and pop that over behind the needle. So your thread is going behind that stitch and popping out of either side. So I'll show you one more time. Okay, so we slip our needle, careful not to come too close and start to knock these off. Bring your needle around and up underneath that slipped yarn in front, that thread. So underneath there, don't go into here and pick up any of the knitted bit. We just want this thread. So under there, knit into the stitch, and then just bring your needle back through and out the other side. And that is catch float. Very, very simple and looks gorgeous. Looks so complicated. Thanks for watching.